Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it is a suggested video from Marilyn Vargas and Cloudy Lee. Really hope you guys have green tea at home because this is gonna get so much fun. Here's how you can make 4 different green tea recipes that you applied on your face that only uses 1 green tea bag. We need to boil some water and prepare a cup of tea. The same way you prepare a cup of tea, but with the only difference that we're not going to drink it. Remove the bag to another container, and no, I'm not talking about the trash can. With this green tea juice, we're gonna make a toner and an under eye treatment. For those with puffy eyes in the morning, we're gonna make green tea ice cubes. I know this sounds so simple, but this is a very effective anti-inflammatory. So what we're gonna do is pour half of the green tea juice into the ice tray, freeze it, and that's it. Apply this as soon as you wake up, and I promise you your under eye area is gonna look so refreshed and ready for the day. The other half of the green tea juice is kind of obvious. We're gonna make a toner. Just pour the remainder of the tea into a spray bottle. I would recommend you to redo this toner every 7 days. Apply this green tea toner overnight to brighten up your skin and also to clear your skin. Remember the little bag with the leaves that I told you not to throw away? That is all we need for us to make the green tea face mask and the green tea face scrub. We need to cut it open and extract all the green tea leaves in a clean bowl. You need to add 1 spoon of honey and mix it really well. I normally exfoliate my skin before I apply any face mask, so apply the green tea mix on your skin like you will normally do when you apply a face mask, but in this case we start exfoliating with the leaves of the green tea. Don't wash your face yet. Now this mix becomes a face mask. Let it sit for about 10 minutes so your skin can absorb all the needed antioxidants, hydration that this green tea mask contains. Right now I'm in the bathroom and I'm gonna go ahead and wash this green tea face mask with cold water. Oh my god guys, it feels so clean. Apply a little bit of the green tea toner that we just made and then a moisturizer, and that's it. You don't need to do anything else and your skin is gonna feel like absolutely like baby butt. Do you guys think I could have made another green tea recipe out of this single bag? I really would like to see what you guys have to say. If you really enjoyed this video, please press the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe and I'll see you guys in the next time. Pura vida!